Hi guys, welcome back. So we're at the mall Nangwon in Nonthaburi, Thailand, and they've just refurbished the old mall and made this beautiful new one. It's a little bit upmarket now, but wow, it looks really good. Lots of European food as well as Asian. Inside there is the gourmet market, supermarket. I'm going to go around here and look at more of the restaurants. A few bakeries here. Japanese food there. Vietnamese, just there. Keep calm and eat teppanyaki. On the table is a Japanese franchise. I've heard it's pretty good. Fire Tiger? What is this? Okay. I think it's kind of green tea drinks and things. Let's take a look down here. Oh, a little bakery here. Oh, this. Okay. That looks pretty decent. Soho Pizza. Whoa, look at that. 18 inches. Okay. Looks good. Pick up. Chicken wraps. Wow, there's a lot of food options here. Gyoza cheese. Right. Go down here, more bakeries, I think. Lots of cake shops as well. Moss Burger, which is Japanese burger chain, I believe. Chester's, which is Thai. It's kind of like a KFC, but it's more grilled chicken. KFC, of course. Dairy Queen, which is very popular in Thailand. Auntie Anne's, okay, I've never heard of that one. Look at the KFC, even that looks pretty flash. The KFC's back home in Australia don't look as good as that. Oh. Colonel, alright. Canadian coffee. So yeah, it looks pretty classy, guys. I think it's been like this for 6 months, not that long now. So if you're ever in Nonthaburi, Thailand, just outside Bangkok, and you want a nice mall to go to, where there aren't really any foreigners around and not as crowded and things like that, check out the mall Nangwon. Okay, see you later.